Hello friends, today we will talk about how coriander is grown at home. Coriander is a very important and delicious herb used in home cooking. And the best part is that you can grow it right in your own home. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, you need a small pot in which you want to grow coriander. Step 2. Fill the pot with soil and spread the soil evenly. Step 3. Now take coriander seeds and sow them in the soil. Remember, coriander seeds should not be sown too deep in the soil. Step 4. Water the sown seeds lightly. Step 5. Keep the coriander plant in a safe place where it can get sunlight and water it as needed. Step 6. Coriander plants are expected to sprout in about 2 to 3 weeks. Conclusion. So friends, this is how you can grow coriander in your home. It will not only enhance the taste of your meals, but also add a special touch to your home decor. Let us know how you liked this video by commenting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.